This July 2026, YouTube just released a new monetization policy that will affect all creators, either faceless or face channel. Either you are showing your face or you are not showing your face. This new monetization policy is going to affect you, and you need to know it so that you will not fall victim. Now, this one is not about maybe you are a professional or whatsoever. Even if you are a professional and you are creating content and you are not mindful of the kind of content you are creating, you are going to get demonetized. If you are new here, welcome to White Tech Consult. This channel is dedicated to helping small content creators grow successfully on YouTube with practical strategies, channel growth tips, and proven ways to grow faster without wasting time. If this sounds like something you want for your channel, go ahead and subscribe below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. This July 2026, YouTube released another policy, which is of putting content or content that does not relate to a user. Maybe you are kind of person that you create content for entertainment. Yes, entertainment is not bad, but in such a way that you are probably putting your title in an emotional angle that deceives the viewers to view your video, and at the end of the day, after they watch that video, maybe they didn't gain anything in that video. Now let me break this down in my own simple terms. To call it off-putting or unsatisfying content, which means if the user watch it and the user is not satisfied, if the user doesn't see any reason of watching that video, and that particular viewer complained, then you might be in problem. Maybe you do a video of animal in distress, or maybe children in distress, or maybe you manipulate people's emotion. We call it emotional manipulation. Shock or gross content, like you just talk, oh, look at this is so, and at the end of the day, what you did in that video is total nonsense. You just want to get attention of people, or maybe you said you want to do miracles, which is fake miracles on YouTube, or spiritual manipulation, something like that, or exploiting tragedies, something like that. Your channel is at risk. So you need to watch the kind of content you are putting out. Now, YouTube wants that if you create a content, if it has emotion or any other thing, make sure people gain benefit. If it's entertainment, what do they benefit from that entertainment? If it's about creator economy, what do you stand to gain, like passing this information to you, telling you how your channel is going to be at risk, and adding my own opinion. This is what YouTube want. They want viewers to gain benefit from every video you are watching on their platform. Now, this is the first one, which is the newest. Now, you must have heard about generic or repetitive content. Now, YouTube just updated this to explain very well what generic content really means, so that you will be able to play safe. Now, generic or repetitive content is all about you write a video script and that video went viral, and the next thing is that you know that this kind of video that went viral, you can also exploit and do something like that again. Then you just remove some things in the script and you upload the video, change a little thing in the description, the title, and the thumbnail, and you upload. This is a repetitive content. Or apart from that, even if that video is not yours and you see a channel that has this kind of video that went viral, and you went there, you pick that video on that channel and you just probably bounce it around, create similar thumbnail and similar title, then this is a repetitive content. Now, the most shocking part is that even if it's your content, you have a thumbnail that has the same template. You are just changing one or two texts, like let's say your hook or your caption thumbnail is like this video is for you, then the one this video is for you, or then this video will shock you with this. You are just changing the color, or maybe you are using different backgrounds, you just change the text style and so on and so forth, and it still looks similar, then you have a problem. Now, the third one, which I'm going to talk about, is AI. Yes, in fact, myself, I've already probably accepted that you cannot be successful on YouTube using AI, but YouTube didn't say that. they are not accepting AI. If you are using AI, you have to be very, very careful. This is what I learned. You have to make sure your script doesn't look like the same, because if you keep using a prompt, you keep getting almost the same script texture, tone, language, and YouTube algorithm easily flag this kind of content, and this is why AI is very, very difficult to do nowadays. But what YouTube is even saying now is that if you have AI, if you use AI and you recreate that AI as a persona, like creating an avatar, then the avatar is talking about specific topic. If the topic that the avatar is talking about is a sensitive topic, like medical, like war, like financial stuff, and if the avatar is now behaving like an expert in those fields, then this is called misleading information, which is also AI, misleading people. So you are going to have a problem. So you have to use AI to do research. It's not going to replace human. You can use it to do research. You can put your human explanation in your AI, then your personal experience about that particular video, and maybe you also have a creative editing that is your style, and original storytelling is your story, not copied from another person, so you are safe. But if you just use AI to write scripts, use AI voice, AI images, then upload, you are at high risk, in which so many people are doing right now. Many people use AI to create scripts, and they use AI voiceover, then download the image, use the image, and so on, then upload. So they don't want this. They just want you to use AI to do research and make those videos yourself. This is what YouTube wants nowadays. I hope I'm able to explain all these three to your best understanding, and if you have been doing this, you need to stop, and maybe we should focus on face channel, because faceless channel is even getting more difficult. Even face channel too, you have to be very, very careful when it comes to repetitive or generic content. You have to be very careful on that, or putting off content. Make sure every video you are doing, make sure this video has benefit, is valuable, and have live lesson to users or viewers. Let me show you this. So I googled it and I saw that YouTube is really, I just said YouTube policy and put off something like that. YouTube started off putting content as part of its inauthentic content policies to restrict monetization. Can you see now? Generic, repetitive, off-putting, and sensitive AI persona. Can you see? Every news is now probably broadcasting this, so you should be very careful about all these three. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and put on the notification bell. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section, or any observation about those things, you can put it in the comment section. And thank you again. Peace.